What's up, everybody? We are getting amped up and ready for the Open 25.2 workout that is upon us. This is our first chance at doing a repeat workout this open season, so we're going to run through some tips and tricks. We're going to run through those things right after some announcements that apply just to our TriForce Fit fam. So if you are somebody that's watching this that's not a part of TriForce, just skip to the part where I get to talking about the workout. So our intramurals are the best part of this, is that we all get to compete against each other, not just in the workout, but in how we participate and the silliness of the intramural open, which is obviously a blast only because my team is winning. We had the red, white, and blue teams after week one. Interesting leaderboard. You can check out the specific numbers, but we have the red team in first with 240 points. We have blue team in second with 174 points, and white team in third with 104 points. While the red team definitely kind of got dominated on the leaderboard for the actual workout, we get participation points for all the things that we did. So it's not too late to do a lot of those things. You can make up a lot of points in weeks 2 and 3, so don't give up if you are on one of the losing teams. Captains of red and white and blue, I expect you guys to be pushing everybody forward. So now that that's out of the way, tomorrow is a 12-minute workout at most. This is a time-capped workout. It is completely different than what we did in 25.1, where it was an AMRAP. So we'll have some athletes that will probably finish this workout in the RX or in the scale version. This workout, like I said, is a repeat workout. It is the same as 22.3. So if you have been around CrossFit for just a few years, you're getting to see this workout at least for a second time. The things to remember about this workout: it is a triplet. So we have basically Fran with advanced thrusters and advanced pull-ups with some double unders in the middle. You can check out the specific numbers and the scheme of the workout, but basically we're starting off this workout with our thrusters, then our our pull-ups, then our double unders, then our thrusters. Then we move to, for RX, we're moving to chest to bar, double unders, and a heavier thruster. Then we get done with bar muscle ups, double unders, and an even heavier thruster. So know that this is going to cater to two different style athletes. You have the strength athlete, who is going to not really suffer as much in the thrusters, and then you have the gymnast, who is going to breeze through the bar stuff and then maybe feel a little bit more fatigued from the heavier weights on the thrusters. So some things to be considering if you are not somebody who is trying to sprint through this workout and finish it. This is something that you should be breaking up early and often. So don't be afraid to set your barbell down, even on the set of 21. If you're the first set, it's not 21. The first set of thrusters, if it's a normal weight for you for Fran, and normally in Fran you knock out your 21 thrusters unbroken super easily, I still would consider breaking it at least once. It's one extra clean that you're going to do in that workout to get your heart rate managed. This workout is about managing heart rate and managing grip. That's really the main things, because we're going to feel in shoulders a little bit, but we're going to feel really grippy on the bar. And if you are just cycling through your pull-ups super fast, you cycle through your chest to bar really fast, and then you get to bar muscle ups and your forearms are toast with the double unders as well, it's going to be really hard. So break often. Probably give yourself an extra break more than you would normally do if you were just doing one portion of that workout, if that makes sense. So if you're just doing that first little third of it, and you could go unbroken on the whole thing, break it up once. And I just watched one of Froning, his tips and tricks on this, and he said something that we always try to do, which is, if you're going to break, don't break evenly. So do a more significant portion on the front end, so that way that last set is a little bit less. If you struggle with pull-ups and you're doing them one at a time, no problem. Just keep banging them out. All right. So if you just barely have chest to bar, it's okay. Just do them one at a time. Same thing with bar muscle ups. If you are doing the scaled or the Masters 55 plus version, the movements will be jumping chest to bar, then jumping pull-ups, then chest to bar. Again, Kick the heck out of it. Get your first pull up. It could be a really amazing time. We'll see some amazing things happen. On the thrusters, make sure you are breathing at the top of the movement. Big breath in, bring it down to shoulders, and follow that bar down. We don't want to be sitting with that bar on our shoulders for any longer than we have to. So as I bring it back down and dive in and go. Okay. If you're just cycling them faster, obviously your breathing is going to match that. But if you're having to take a break there and catch your breath. Guys, it's going to suffer. It's going to suck. It's going to be hard. That's okay. We're all going to do it together. So if you have a score from 22.3, check what your score was. See if you can improve. Let's see if our fitness is getting better on this very trackable and very measurable workout. This is the exciting thing about CrossFit is we get to actually see, am I better than I was 3 years ago when we attempted this workout the first time? Hit us up with any questions that you have. It's going to be brutal, it's going to be frantic, and it's going to be fun. So see you guys tomorrow.